Hello, good morning.
Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, Mr. Jack, it's Paul. I'm calling out sick.
Paul, you not feeling
Yeah,
good,
I'm not
man?
feeling good.
Damn, man, what happened, man?
I don't know, man. I woke up last night. I was coughing. I was hollering. I was throwing up, man. I had a little diarrhea. And, man, I just don't feel good, man.
Yo, man, you want me to bring you something, man?
Nah, that's okay. That's okay.
Hey, yo, Paul just called out. You know he like 6 people, man. So y'all gotta pick it up. Yo, we gonna miss you today, my guy.
Man.
Feel better,
Tell
man.
everybody I'm gonna miss them too, man. Oh, man.
Yo, like I said, don't hesitate if you need nothing,
Definitely.
man.
I'll let you know if I need
We
anything,
here for
man.
you, man.
Yeah, man.
We love you, man. Oh, my God. Kazunte, man. We love you. I feel better, my dude.
All right.
Yes.
Yo, Tim.
Oh, it's you. What up, man?
Yeah, it's me, man. I don't feel good today, man. I gotta call out sick, man.
What? Hold on, man. Hey, yo, Paul calling out, man. Thank God, his breath stink. At least we get some work done around here today, man. He lazy as hell, man.
This is the treat for us, y'all. Yeah, hello.
Yeah, I heard y'all.
All right, bye.